The respective ratio of present ages of mother and daughter is 7:1. 4 years ago, the ratio was 19:1. What will be mother's age 4 years from now? So, in present, the ratio of mother and daughter is 7:1. When you see 7:1, what does it actually mean? If, say, mother's age is 28, daughter's age will be 4. Because if you multiply 4 this side, you have to multiply 4 this side too. So, this is just for understanding how ratio works. Now, coming to the question, 7:1. Let's try to guess. Let's go with a guess for mother's and daughter's age. Let's say mother's age is 42. What will be daughter's age? It will be 6. Now, 4 years ago, the respective ratios were 19:1. Okay, what would be 4 years ago? What would have been mother's age? 38. And daughter's age? 2. If you find the ratio for this, it is exactly 19:1. Yes, so what we guessed is correct. So now all we need to find is what is mother's age 4 years from now. So currently it's 42. So when you add 4, so you will get 46. Let's verify our answer. Yeah, so we found it correctly. At present, Kavita is twice Sarita's age. 8 years hence, the ratio between Kavita and Sarita's age will be 22:13. What is Kavita's present age? So here, Kavita's age is twice of Sarita. Okay. After 8 years, their ratio is 22:13. Okay. Again, when you think of 22:13, what age comes in your mind? Kavita can be 44. If Kavita is 44, what will be Sarita? 26. So this is after 8 years. 8 years hence. It means like after 8 years. So we are ahead in 8 years. So if you go back in time, I mean come to present, this becomes 36 and this becomes 18. So this is their present ages. See, Kavita's age is twice of Sarita. So our guess is correct. So they have asked what is Kavita's present age. So 36 is our answer. Let's verify that. Yes, so 36.